Let's watch this video. Most of you all are not living a life like this monkey. Watch this video. I swear this monkey is living a good life. Chilling. What? Big boss.
God
Big
have mercy upon
boss.
us.
Most of you are not living life like this. Tell me, who has ever fed you? Have you ever been fed in a car? You have never experienced that. You see why I'm telling you this monkey is better than you. See why I'm telling you this monkey is living a good life. Who has fed you before in a car? Nobody. Nobody. Eh, chai.